Okay, on display here, we're looking at the Frigidaire 18 cubic foot garage ready top mount refrigerator. This is the price at a local Costco store at $499.99. Here's the Frigidaire branding here. It's got a little badge. This does come in white in color. This particular model has a few dents in the front of it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the refrigerator portion first. It does have some shelves on the side here. You got 1, 2, 3 shelves. And then on the inside, plenty of space here with some adjustable shelves. On here on the side, you can see where you can adjust the shelves. But it's got 1, 2, 3 shelves there. Some pull-out drawers made of plastic. A couple more pull-out drawers there on the bottom. And right there's your control where you can adjust the temperature control on that to make it colder. The handle is on the top portion here to where you pull it. All right, on the side here, you grab it from here and pull out. And it's got a couple of shelves here on the side for your freeze items. That shows you how thick they are. And then an adjustable shelves here for the freezer as well. Not bad for an 18 cubic foot refrigerator. Here's some more of the dimensions in case you want to measure it, see if it fits in your space. And there's a QR code in case you want to scan that. All right, hopefully that gives you a better look if you're in the market to buy the Frigidaire 18 cubic foot top mount refrigerator.